Hey guys, I'm Liz Stapleton from elizabethstapleton.com, and in this video, I'm going to explain the steps you should take if your blog content gets stolen. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is document the evidence. What that means is you want to take screenshots. You may want to use a Chrome extension like full page screen capture, so you're not like having to take like a picture and then scroll down and then take a picture. So you probably do want to do a full a screenshot of your entire like desktop or whatnot, so make sure you're capturing the URL and everything. But to capture an entire page, full page screen capture will help you do that. And there's a reason you want to do this, is that so no matter what, you have proof of the content being stolen, because they could, just take it down, which, I mean, you want them to do, but then put it back up or something if someone goes to look. And so you just want to, make sure you've got that proof. The next step is going to depend on the extent to what is stolen, right? Was it someone who, it's just an image from a roundup and maybe, or part of a roundup they did and it's an image, and they linked to your site and maybe they didn't know that it wasn't okay to just take that image without permission, in which case you could reach out and be like, hey, not cool, please take that down. And that might just take care of it. Because those mistakes do happen. Or was it a lot more blatant? Did they like copy an entire post or your entire website? I've seen that happen too. It's really not fun. If that's the case, then you don't want to, you want to resist the urge to reach out to them directly unless it's through an attorney. I know it's really hard because you're like pissed and you're like, you need to take this stuff down. But an attorney could be more effective, and actually there's other more productive ways to go about it. So once you have the evidence and you've kind of determined to what extent what they've stolen, the next step, if it has been excessive, is to find out who's hosting their site. And sites like whoishostingthis.com and hostingchecker.com can help you do this. There's some others out there, but once you know who's hosting it, contact the host. And most hosting sites have like a, go down to the footer and they'll have like a link of like to contact them, particularly if it's a DMCA, which is Digital Millennial Copyright Act. It's called a DMCA takedown notice, and you basically tell the host, hey, this person's copying my stuff, can you take their site down? And most hosts do so very quickly because they don't want any legal trouble. But sometimes the site owner will appeal, and then, the host will kind of let you guys duke it out and they'll put it back up. So that's, it could be the quick and easy solution. Hopefully it's a permanent one, but you're going to want to follow up once you do submit that to make sure it gets taken down and it stays taken down. And if you continue having issues with the stolen content remaining up, you can contact Google. So at least the site that has your stolen content isn't being found with search engines, right? So if you want more information, that kind of covers it. But if you want more information, a few additional resources on this topic, you can check out the full post. The link is in the description below. And hopefully that just gives you some ideas of sort of what steps to take, if your content is stolen. Also within that post, I linked to an example, DMCA takedown letter if you need sort of a template for that. So go check it out, and hopefully this was helpful.